Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and it's Strawberry and
Microwave.
So today we're going to be playing Podiums VC, and currently we're waiting for humans to join.
Yes, we are.
And people are kind of slow, right?
Yeah, they're slow. There's also a lot of servers going on.
Yeah, you actually paid Robux.
Yes, I paid Robux.
Imagine if nobody joins, though.
Oh, we have one person.
Okay, hi. We're
We're
joining. We're
like
doing the server soon. Like,
we're
we're waiting for like 2 more people. Okay, we need one more person.
Yeah. Your mic isn't on.
I know.
All right.
I'm gonna put you down.
Okay.
Okay, so
I'm
I'm gonna pass the phone to my friend.
Okay, so I'm passing the phone to somebody whose profile picture...
Your mic isn't on.
Fa. Okay, guys, I'm passing the phone to somebody who actually is has an amazing profile picture and who looks amazing. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna swap.
LeBron! Appreciate it, bro. I'm gonna pass it to you.
Yo,
What?
I'm your biggest fan.
Yo, appreciate it. I'm actually not LeBron now, but that's okay. Passing it to this guy. I'm passing it for you. Looks like a
Guys, we cannot say that.
Oh well, it's okay.
Yeah, we cannot say that. Anyways, I'm gonna pass the phone to I think that's the guy from One Piece whose name I forgot.
Thank you. Here's my intro. Oh, whoop. Oh my god, what is wrong with me?
FBI, open up!
Yo, what are we talking about?
Call me cactus hair. Because my hair looks like a cactus.
Oh.
My hair looks like a cactus.
I think we're gonna need to
Bro, what's going on in the chat? They're arguing. I was like,
I genuinely do not know what's going on in chat.
I'm not even checking.
they're arguing for no reason. I'm gonna give the phone to this person who ate.
Whatever, dude. I don't even know you. That's okay. I don't know who I'm gonna pass it to. Probably this guy.
So far ain't nobody calling me.
Alright, so I'm gonna pass it to the longest timer. Which is 1 minute, and here's my outro. Sorry. Right. I'm passing the phone to somebody who looks like they're from Timu. Wait, how do I do it?
Sleeping with the stars.
Passing the phone to a goddamn guy who thinks he's actual speed, but he's really not because he won't be that famous.
I show speed.
Yo, I'm not I Share Speed.
That's
That
kinda
is
crazy.
LeBron James.
Bro, we're not sponsored anymore.
Nah, I think he
We're
might
not
be a
sponsored.
bit special.
Can you pay
No
more?
offense.
No, I'm not paying any more Robux.
Objection!
Yo, we're not sponsored anymore. This is sad. Wait, what's wrong with ADHD? Cause I have ADHD.
What?
Cause like
Me too,
I-
bro.
Yeah, me and Strawberry both have diagnosed ADHD, so we really do not. Special? Yeah, special is a derogatory term, and it should not be used in that way that it does. Anyways, I'm gonna pass the phone to someone who just joined.
Thank you for the phone, but yeah. I'm gonna pass the phone to first person to say anime. Actually, who wants the phone?
I'm not hiding, now I'm shining. Objection! Yo, what are we talking about? Yeah. Okay, so I'm passing the phone to somebody who looks like Aimee Gatito.
Bro, I'm just a cat, bro. And I'm gonna pass it to whoever looks like my twin.
Wait, what he say? Put him back up. What he say?
Okay, so he said that like you were like his twin.
Ow. But I'm a.
Hey, everyone who's watching this video, you should stand Ace's.
No, hell no.
If you ever get to listen, no, I'm not passing it to you. You ever
Do
get
not.
to
Don't
listen,
even think
you get
about
to
doing
phone.
anime anything.
Where are you? Oh, Sam.
Yes, I got it right. Anyways, here's an intro. We're gonna give the phone to. Hold on. I got my gun ready. Minion Man, do you want the phone? Okay, I'll give it to you. Here we go, bro. Thank you, thank you. Okay, here's my intro.
Sleeping with the stars.
So,
Why y'all put cheese
bye
on my
guys.
cheeseburger?
Yeah, we're
Okay,
nuking the server.
No!